Sonny's 1993 Mazda RX7.
What did you do to it since you got it?
Drove it around for like 2 years and then had the motor ported.
Okay.
A half bridge port.
Okay.
Threw on single turbo and E85 pretty much. Yeah, it has two Walbro 400s.
Oh.
2200cc injectors.
2200 Oh wow.
Yeah.
So the car has way more potential.
Yeah, I can turn it up. It's fun the way it is.
Damn, son. Oh my God. Oh. This is crazy. So this is tied to your ECU. What is this?
Yeah, it's vintage. It's a Power FC or
Your revs. This is what
water temp.
Oh, the water temp, the battery, and the air temp.
Yeah.
Very like old school though.
Yeah,
it's pretty cool.
From the 90s.
Holy shit. Damn. Holy shit. What drew you to the RX-7?
I just liked how it looked, always.
Was it initial D or what was it?
People always ask me what the initial D stuff. I never watched a single episode of that. I always liked the sound of a rotary.
And that is
the low B idle.
Oh, it almost sounds like you have a huge cam in it.
Pretty much, yeah. That's pretty much what happens when you port the engine.
Oh.
Yeah, because you don't really have any pistons or intake valves or cams. So the only way to let more air in is to pretty much cut the engine. So it's pretty much another way of drawing in more air, like a cam would.
Sun is crazy, yo. Woo! Damn! And this told me not to put on my seatbelt. This
Right here.
How come you switch it from a twin turbo to a single turbo? What?
Stock twins start falling apart when it gets to this age.
Oh.
So they have the motor out, so might as well.
Oh shit, the flames! What? No! Holy shit. Damn. Damn, son. That was insane, dude. That was insane. I legitimately got scared there. Oh my God.
My turbo has a really small back housing, so it spools really quick on top of the twin scroll.
So what RPM are you at full boost?
I can make full boost at like 3,000.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
That's insane.
Yeah, I can make 21 pounds at 3,000.
Oh shit, that's insane. This is damn, where is he? Damn. Damn, son. Woo, man.
Eventually.
Dude, I saw flames coming out of your exhaust. Yeah. They're like huge bursts of like flames. Alright guys, there you have it. You've seen Sonny's RX7. If you like what you've seen, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah. Peace.
See you guys.